In a factory on the verge of collapse, where machines rusted and hopes dimmed, a quiet boy, unnoticed by most, swept the floors. But beneath those oversized headphones and behind those large glasses, he listened to the whispers of failure.
Turning your words into stunning animations with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll dive into the best AI text-to-animation tool that not only brings your ideas to life, but does it with characters so consistent. And the best part, they're free to use. In this best AI text-to-animated video generator video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of using the best AI text-to-animation generators. You'll learn how to add realistic animations and voiceovers and seamlessly edit everything together so you can start creating captivating content and monetizing it on YouTube. This video is broken down into several key sections, but make sure you watch from start to finish, as every step is essential. Missing any part could leave you without a complete understanding of the process. Let's begin for text-to-animation process. The first step is crafting a strong script with a consistent character. For this, we'll use ChatGPT. You can start by typing a prompt like, "Give me story ideas that include a little character who solves problems." In the end, ChatGPT will generate several story ideas based on your input. Review these carefully. In my case, I'm going with the second idea. Then, simply type something like, "Use idea number 2, the Forgotten Invention," and write a 7-image prompt story, and ChatGPT will generate a story with 7 image prompts. This method will generate image prompts for our story. And since we'll be using an image-to-video tool, generating consistent image prompts is essential. Our story has been generated successfully, but there's one issue: it lacks a consistent character. For example, we have a character named Janitaro, but we don't know what he looks like, his face, eyes, or any defining features. Let me show you how to address this. Next, head over to the Bing image generator. Copy your prompt, paste it into Bing, and generate some images. However, simple prompts often produce inconsistent or unsuitable results, which can disrupt your entire story. To fix this, we need to ensure our story includes consistent character imagery. Here's how: open Google and search for AI cartoon character images. Click on the Images tab and find a character you want to use as a reference. I'll use this one as an example. Save the image to your PC or mobile device. Now, open ChatGPT again, click the attachment button, and upload the character image you downloaded. Ask ChatGPT write a brief, one-line description of this character. Once ChatGPT provides the description, copy the character details. In the video description, I'll include a prompt template with 2 parts, one for character details and one for the story settings. You can replace the character details with your own. Once you've done that, your prompt will be ready. Now, carefully read through the prompt to fully understand it and adjust it as needed for your story. Once you've made the necessary changes, copy the prompt, return to ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. If ChatGPT tries to generate images, stop it and ask for the prompt text only. This will rework your story with a consistent character. However, there might be a minor issue, which I'll explain shortly. Now, copy the newly generated prompt. Open a new tab, search for AI Image Generator Create AI, and click on the first website. Create a free account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on Generate, select Flux, and set the appropriate aspect ratio for short or long videos. Paste your prompt and click Generate. You'll see live AI-generated images that align with your needs. Save each image one by one, numbering them in sequence to avoid confusion during the next steps. Take a moment to compare the character images. You'll notice they look almost identical. Let me know in the comments if you think they match perfectly. But you may encounter an issue. Go back to your consistent character story and review all the prompts. Do they all include the detailed character description you provided to ChatGPT? For instance, in one of the prompts, we only see a cartoon boy without any details about his appearance, such as his eyes, clothes, or other defining features. To fix this, copy the prompt and paste it into a document, such as Notepad or Google Docs. Then, copy the detailed character description we created earlier and replace cartoon boy with those details. For example, if your character is described as a stylish boy with bright orange hair, oversized headphones, large glasses, a blue hoodie, black pants, and yellow sneakers, make sure that every prompt reflects those specifics. Always review each prompt carefully before generating the final images. Now, let's use this prompt in the Create AI tool, and as you can see, the results are great with a consistent character. I'm in the process of creating the rest of the images, speeding things up to save time. I hope you're following along. If not, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Next, Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write narration lines for each scene so you can convert them into AI-generated text-to-speech. With everything ready, let's move on to generating the image to video and text-to-speech using free AI tools. For converting images into video, you can use any tool, but for accuracy, I recommend image to video generator Pika Art. In this video, I'll be using Pika Art, and I'll provide the link in the description for your convenience. Once you're on the Pika Art website, click on Discord to make an animated cartoon video with AI. Enter your name, complete the CAPTCHA process, and input your date of birth, email, and password. You can sign up with Gmail or use a temporary email if needed. After entering your details, go back to Discord to verify your email. Once confirmed, you'll see several Pika Art generation channels on the left. I'm selecting one of them. Next, in the text box at the bottom, type the hash symbol, select Create, and then Create with Prompt Now. Upload your first image and paste the main prompt for how you want your character to react. Hit Enter, and within 2 minutes, the image to video conversion will be complete. Look at this. The quality is superb. Repeat this process for each image, and you'll have your videos generated by the time you finish uploading all of them. The quality is outstanding, all in HD. Click the download button on the right side of each video to save them to your device. Now that our consistent character videos are ready, it's time to add voiceover narration for the animation. Head over to a free text-to-speech and AI voice generator website link in the description. Sign up with Gmail, and you'll be taken to the main interface. Copy the narration lines for each scene and paste them into the script box, up to 3,000 characters at a time. Select your voiceover artist. I'll be using Echo Click Create Speech, and within 2 to 3 minutes, your voiceover will be generated. Download the voiceover to your device once it's ready. Now, it's time to assemble everything. For video editing, I'm using CapCut, but feel free to use any editing tool you prefer. Start by importing the voiceover file and dragging it into the timeline. Next, import all the video clips and adjust them to match the audio. You can crop the video to remove any watermarks. Also, slow down the clips if needed to increase their duration. I'm speeding through this process to save time, but be sure to take your time for the best results. One crucial element is sound effects. For example, if your character is sweeping the street, adding background noise like people talking enhances the realism. Watch each clip several times to identify areas for improvement. I'm keeping the editing simple for this tutorial, but you can spend more time perfecting the final result based on how you want your video to be presented. For background music, I'm using free, copyright-safe tracks from the YouTube library. Choose the right music and adjust its volume to complement the visuals. Finally, add captions using the auto caption feature. Select English as the language and choose a caption animation from the Animation tab. I'll go with Bounce Out in the text settings. Pick a preset style and adjust the font size and position to your liking. I'm choosing my favorite style and placing the text a bit higher on the screen. Once editing is complete, export your video. And here's the demo.
In a factory on the verge of collapse, where machines rusted and hopes dimmed, a quiet boy, unnoticed by most, swept the floors. But beneath those oversized headphones and behind those large glasses, he listened to the whispers of failure, already forming his own plan. The boy stood at a distance as the workers slumped in defeat, discussing their failed attempts to save the factory. His headphones draped around his neck, and he absorbed their struggles. The wheels in his mind were turning faster than any machine in the factory. Hidden away in a small, cluttered workshop, the boy spent countless hours crafting something new. His hands worked diligently, his eyes full of focus, as he tweaked and adjusted his invention. He knew that the future of the factory and the people who worked there rested in the success of his idea. On what was supposed to be the final day, as workers packed their belongings, the boy stood at the entrance. In his hand, he held his invention, small but powerful. With nerves swirling in his chest, he knew this was the moment he had to step forward, or the factory would be lost forever. In front of the factory's remaining leaders, the boy unveiled his creation. Though small and unassuming, the device sparked curiosity. The boy, usually so quiet, spoke with newfound confidence. This was it, the solution they had all been waiting for, hiding in plain sight. The factory, once lifeless, buzzed with energy once again. Workers assembled the boy's invention, a symbol of hope for the future. Walking through the revived factory, the boy's heart swelled with pride, knowing that he had made a difference in the place he had once quietly cleaned. Cheers echoed through the factory as the workers celebrated their newfound success. Lifted up on their shoulders, the boy, with his signature headphones and shy smile, was hailed as the hero who saved their livelihoods. His forgotten invention had become the key to their future.
If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments and request a part 2. In the next video, I'll show you how to create consistent character animations with subjects, supporting elements, movement, environments, camera work, color, and style. Alright friends, that brings us to the end of this video. I'd love to hear about your experiences creating AI-generated animation with consistent characters. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you want to watch Get Heartwarming Hugs in 10 minutes with this free AI tool, click on the left. If you're interested in the 10 insane AI animation tools you'll never believe are free to use, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.